Hey everyone, it is your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be doing a quick look at the market and then jumping straight into the crypto news of today. So the top gainer is OX with a $2.20 price point right now. We see a 22% increase, obviously a massive increase in the last 24 hours. If we go through the market, we do see a bunch of red as well as a green, but mostly green. So it's been a pretty good day with the market up about 2.38%. There's some big increases around the market, including things like Binance Coin, Filecoin, VeChain, and I think, Bitcoin BSV is actually doing very, very well. As Crow is actually recovering a little bit there too, with about a 5% increase. So just all around the market, you do see some, mostly positives. Cardano took a small 1% hit, but most of it is beneficial to most of us with these good green positives. So let's take a look at the crypto news of today. First off, we have Undertaker NFTs to drop this Saturday ahead of WrestleMania. So basically just more NFTs, and obviously every time more NFTs drop, more crypto is talked about as as an alternative. Not really an alternative, I guess, but crypto is talked about every time a new NFT is dropped. It's correlated in some way there in the blockchain, and a lot of people are interested in both NFTs and crypto. So the more people interested in NFTs, the more people that are going to be interested in crypto in the long term. So this is a very good thing as more and more NFTs are created. We go into the class action lawsuit filed against crypto wallet firm Ledger, Shopify over 2020 customer data breach. So this is obviously not good for people holding the wallet operator Ledger. There's a new class action lawsuit, and we'll see how that all turns out. We go to the next one. We have 300 Bitcoin ATMs are coming to the crypto-friendly U.S. state. Bitcoin is gaining popularity among retail investors. They seek an easy way to convert their cash to the asset. ATMs help in that regard. So there is going to be ATMs. If you're living in Florida right now, let's go to the actual tweet itself. Excited to announce we're now live in Florida. Floridians Floridians can now purchase Bitcoin with Koinly at select Coinstar locations at grocery stores across the state. There we go. Trying to read that one, but it's pretty cool because now over 320 Bitcoin-enabled Coinstar kiosks are now available all across of Florida. So that's a very, very cool article to read about. Let's actually favorite that one because that's exciting news. We go to the next one. We do see Polygon Matic aiming to transform insurance industry with M-Setu. So Polygon has joined forces with Infosys to launch M-Setu. The leading distributed ledger technology DLT project says M-Setu, I'm not sure if I'm saying this right, is an open source bridge designed to make it easier for enterprises to integrate Ethereum to their processes, according to a Twitter thread on April 8th, 2021. So obviously this is revolutionizing insurance, and we'll see how this really turns out for Polygon. As we move on to the next one, we do have Ethereum surpasses Bitcoin as the most popular cryptocurrency on YouTube. So this is very interesting. A lot, obviously, of growth and popularity coming to Ethereum, as Ethereum is one most people deal with when doing mining. There's obviously mining fees involved, and a lot of people love seeing Ethereum go up because it's more of a most people can't purchase $60,000 of a coin. However, $2,000 of a coin is definitely more viable. So a lot of people are interested in Ethereum for multiple reasons. We'll continue to see growth, I'm sure, in BTC and Ethereum, but Ethereum specifically. As we move on to Robinhood, says 9.5 million customers traded crypto in Q1, up from 1.7 million in Q4. This is actually pretty massive. That's a massive increase of people jumping into crypto, and I think we're going to continue. This is just the start, so we'll see more and more people jumping into crypto, and I think this is going to be very, very big for cryptocurrencies altogether. We'll see what happens. We move on to the next one. Bitcoin mining in China will exceed energy consumption of 181 countries by 2024. This is pretty massive. Bitcoin mining in China will, remember this, exceed energy consumption of 181 countries by 2024. That's absolutely massive. Annual energy consumption will be at a level of Italy and Saudi Arabia, according to researchers. So just a massive amount of energy consumption, obviously. We go on to our next article. We do see crypto wagering for online betting sports, or online sports betting, I should say, now legal in Wyoming. The bill already signed into law legalizes online sports betting in the state, with bookmakers permitted to accept cryptocurrency deposits from bettors. So obviously, more and more good news for crypto as it's kind of being accepted into all kinds of markets at this point. We see VeChain decides to reduce transaction fees. This could be considered a good thing for VeChain holders. Obviously, the community pretty much voted on it, so we'll see what happens. And VeChain VeChain is definitely one we talk about a lot on this channel, by the way. So if you are interested in VeChain, definitely take the time to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and turn notifications on, as well as like the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We will continue now on to selling pressure decreases as miners start accumulating Bitcoin after 5 months of dumping. So this is actually interesting as well. We talk more about Bitcoin miners begin to accumulate. They're more holding on to it right now. I think they realize there's a big increase coming. So Bitcoin is recovering to that $58,600 range, and we're going to see if we can reach that all-time high that we reached March 14th at 61,800. Next, we have HSBC prohibits the purchase of MicroStrategy shares. HSBC will not let clients buy MicroStrategy stock due to their we'll go to the actual Twitter post here, due to their highly changed policy on virtual currencies. So this is very interesting as well. You can read a lot more about that. I'm not going to go into details of why this happened or why they're doing such things, but definitely take a look in this article if you want to read more about it. It's on en.cryptonomist.ch, which is a little bit more difficult one to find. But Graph Blockchain announces acquisition of the Chainlink token, Link. So we talk about Link a decent amount on this channel as well. I think Link's going to be absolutely massive, just following, just straight green, I think, throughout 2021 for the most part. We're going to see a lot of increases coming with Link specifically. And do remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. But Graph Blockchain announces the acquisition of Chainlink token. This could be very, very big for Chainlink. We'll continue to monitor this situation and see the benefits from this. I think there will be some benefits. Obviously, a lot of potential behind something like this. So we'll continue, like I said, to monitor this and see what happens. So let's take a look now at the market. Let's refresh real quickly. So obviously, by the time you get to this video, it'll probably be like an hour now or an hour from now. So the prices will change just a little bit. But for the most part, you are going to see this 2.57% increase. We are going to see Ox still doing hopefully big things by then, as well as the highest volume still being Bitcoin, obviously, and the new listing storage at 259. So we have talked a lot about most of these, most of these coins on the front page. They're all doing, fairly well. We see, like I said, VET up 13.81%. We see Tron's finally taking a small dip of a 3%. We see Theta kind of taking a small dip as well, about 3%, about 1257 right now. But just a lot of good coins doing good things here. If you go through the list, you see Solana also up 10%, which is a massive increase, as well as that BNB that we've talked about previously on this channel a lot. I think BNB will continue to rise. There's so much use behind it. Obviously, the fees are so low. So there's just a lot here to look at. So that's going to be it for the crypto news segment of today. If you guys like this video, make sure to like the actual video itself and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and turn notifications on. Also, check the Discord link in the description below, as well as the Twitter link in the description below. And you can follow me on Twitter and join the Discord server to talk with crypto like-minded people like myself. Thank you guys. I'll see you all in the next one.